The following is the extract of a course linked in the description.
Hey guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me on this new video. I have a quick tip for you for the piano roll. This is something that I use pretty much all the time, whether I pay attention to it or not. Whether I think it's on the subconscious level, but let me show you. I think it's really gonna help you. So a while back, we made this quick melody over here, and we're gonna listen to it again. So that was a melody that we made there just with a couple chords over here that we had. So if I click over here to look at the piano roll, I can either click here or I can actually come on the channel and actually click here on piano roll. It's actually bringing me to the same place. Okay, so over here we're looking at the notes that we played, and basically you're gonna see if we look at the canvas over here, the canvas is basically letting us know where the is showing the white notes and the black notes of the keyboard. So we're seeing over here, this is basically, is that F sharp? So we have F over here and we have F sharp over here. And as well, if you look at the top here, it's gonna let you know that we have F over here and we have F sharp over here, right? So it's showing us basically all the black notes. One of the things that I actually do for my canvas is I come up here in the settings and I go to view, and over here I'm gonna go to scale highlighting. That's the one. And you see over here is basically showing us that the scale that is being highlighted is has an emphasis on the black notes, right? But what we want to do, what I'm doing is basically I put it on automatic. So when I put it on automatic, what it does is based on the notes that I play in the canvas, if I look at the top here, you're gonna see now it's letting me know that whatever notes I've played, it is in A minor. So that always let me know. So I could be experiencing with some chords there, and I'm just playing around, and maybe I don't want to figure out what scale I'm playing. What I just laid out here, I'm gonna have a look there. It's gonna let me know that whatever I just play is in A minor or D sharp minor or another scale, right? And let's just try to go back. You're gonna see that it doesn't show you that when we have it on black notes. You don't have it, right? It just show you at that point. It just shows you whatever note you're on. It's showing you right now you're on C sharp 5. It's showing you right now you're on G4, right? But when I go back there, it's gonna show us whatever note we're on, but as well it's gonna show us uh, the 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 key that we basically that of the notes that we just played over here, right? And this actually carries over. So let me go over here, and I'm so basically right now I'm just creating a new pattern. Actually, I could have created a new instrument, so let me do that. I'm just going to create a new instrument as well. This carries over to all the different instruments that we have here. So this instrument, I'm going to go over here, piano roll, and one of the things that you're going to notice on this one, the the black note, we don't have any black bars like we had when we, if I go back here, you're going to see we have those black notes that are highlighted on the new canvas that we just created there. You just, let me go back there, a new canvas that we just created here, nothing shows up. It only gonna start showing up when we're gonna start putting some notes. Then it's gonna know, okay, you know what, based on the notes you just entered, you are in this key, right? So if we come up here, let me just put this over here, and I'm just gonna put something random, right? And I'm just gonna put this here. Now you see everything has appeared now, and it's letting me know I am in C sharp major. If I move any of those key there, we'll just put a C sharp minor, maybe because I am in A sharp in A major now, right? So just based on the notes that we're playing here, it's gonna let us know. And I found that it need at least three notes. So basically, it's looking at a triad, at the chord triad, to know which key we're basically playing on. So this is really gonna help you a lot when you're experimenting, when you're playing a note there. Maybe you're not too sure what chord you played, especially with a lot of the music producer today. I would say for hip hop producer, a lot of times, many of them don't have a background in music theory, right? So this is really helpful, really to know what scale, what chord you playing, and all those things. So that's all I had for you for this video. I'm sure this is really gonna help you greatly. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Guys, if you enjoy the content, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. I also wanted to let you know about my free mastering mini course that's gonna be available there in the description. You're also gonna get with that free banger drums kit, right, with some crazy samples. Basically, you're gonna be able to make some crazy drum patterns. Okay, so the link is gonna be in the description. It's gonna let you know how you're gonna have access to it, and I will talk to you in another video.